What's going on, guys? Time to here to come back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy your Instagram URL link. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you have to do is you don't even have to go to your Instagram. You don't need the app to do this. You're just gonna go open any browser you have. I'm gonna open Safari and you're gonna search up Instagram.com/. Now you're gonna write your Instagram username. It's 27, and you're gonna finish it by slash, and you're gonna search it up. It's right here. It comes, and if you want to copy the URL link, you're just gonna click to the search up bar, and you're gonna click it again, and it's a copy. You're just gonna click copy, and this is done. If you want to know if it's working or not, I'm gonna open another browser and I'm gonna search it up. Paste, go. Here we go. It's working 100%. It's working. And if this works for you guys, let me know in the comment section. And if you're new, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And peace.